Hey everybody, my name is Charlene and welcome back to my channel, Getting Creative. So in the first video, which you can check out here, we created a mascot for the channel, which is this little creature over here called Torta Frog. She's just the cutest, right? And she's the mascot. And in today's video, we are gonna give her some color and make her all pretty. And I'm gonna do that with a little bit of a twist. So I'm right-handed and I'm gonna see if I can color her in left-handed. So we're gonna do two takes today. The one way I do it right-handed and the other way I do it left-handed. And we're gonna see how that goes. So stay tuned. So you're probably thinking, why Torta Frog? So this creature originated when my daughter and I actually had a bit of a coloring and drawing date, and I started drawing this for her and I actually really liked it, and so did my hubby. So when we created the channel, he actually said that I should maybe do it as a mascot, and I was like, yes, this is awesome. So yes, since then my daughter actually asked me to draw quite a few Torta Frogs for her because she really likes it a lot, and it actually became like a Torta Frog family which I'll probably draw a bit later on as well because I kind of like it a lot. So for the right hand, I'm actually just really coloring in quite fast. It's not in detail, it's really just to see how fast I can actually do it, and to put a bit of color to Torta Frog. But this time my arm really started hurting. A person really shouldn't do arm session at gym and then decided to do a coloring drawing. So yeah, that happened, but it's cool, it's fun, it's all part of it. And Torta Frog has to be a girl for me. It's just cute. It was actually more for my daughter though. And first one is done and it looks adorable. Completed this in 11 minutes 19 seconds, and like I said, don't do this when you did arm day and shoulders. It hurts. It hurts. Anyway, let's go to left hand. Good golly gosh, it's really not easy to color in with the left hand. It's so weird. Like I'm trying, or it feels to me that I'm actually like pressing really hard on the paper, but I'm not getting any color or the vibrant color out. So it's quite strange. Man, and the amount of times that I actually wanted to just put the pencil in my right hand to color in or to finish the picture is insane, but we keep going. It's really difficult. It's not that easy. And it hurts. I think it's actually almost like starting to color in, like when you're a child and you just start coloring in. This is pretty much what it feels like, or I would think it feels like. I can't remember. But this is what I think. So yeah. And left hand done. And in pretty much 3 minutes less than the right hand, which is surprising. But I'm gonna tell you that it hurts bad. But this was really a very, very fun experiment to me. I can definitely see the differences between the two pictures. Like if you compare the two, The right hand is way more vibrant and nice within the lines and just pretty, and the left hand is just like almost all over the place. Big strokes, went over the lines quite a few times. But I really like this experiment a lot. I think I need to try and color in with my left hand way more. And yes, if you would like to do this at home, I definitely recommend you do so. It was a lot of fun. This is definitely not a detailed picture that I did. It's just to kind of see how I color in with my left hand. But I do recommend you doing this at home, for sure. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on the channel today. If you would like to see more creative content, please follow my channel, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cool. Cheers.